So after we set up the environment, let's roll our sleeves and start building our app. So as this set of videos is mainly focusing on creating an app, if someone has no prior coding knowledge for React Native, it's mainly depending on a React Native template. You can check out any React Native you like. You just should make sure that it's built through Expo. So, in order to start our work, I had this template. This will be the template I will explain our videos, the set of videos on. This is called RNWP template. This is my template. I will show you its link in the description in order if you like to have it. If you have any other template, you just should make sure to follow its documentation in order to see in order to make it, to build the app successfully. So let's start our work. So after that, I downloaded the template and open the app file. You can just drag the app here to Visual Studio Code in order to start opening it. Or you can just open a new window here and get to open it here from the file itself. This works with Windows the same. So I will start to install the dependencies I need here for the app. I'll just click. I'll just write in the terminal, yarn install. You can have another way to do this, something like that. You can just open a new window here, as I said, and you can choose the file you like in order to start building your app. In this case, I can build the app from scratch and then copy the files I need. You can do this. You can do this by opening the file itself. For example, I will choose this one, the parent app of the parent folder of my app folder, in order to start a new app. So I will just write it this way. You can check out the Expo documentation here, Expo init, and you can here name the file as you like. So I write it, for example, my first app. It will be a blank app here. You can just install. It's now installing dependencies. In this case, if you have a template, you can also copy the required. You can also copy the required template, the required folders, files here. For example, this one. You can copy it and paste it here. But you will just make sure that here there is no folder called node modules. It will, as it's still installing here, it will not appear now, but this is like this one. After the app ends installing, you will find this file, node modules here. So when you copy and paste, I think this app is ready here. You can just copy and paste it here. Yeah, paste it here. We'll just replace everything and remove node modules. And then you will run again. You can do it that way. Just move to the folder you are talking about, because this is so important. You must make sure that the terminal is pointing to the extension of your folder. So the extension here is RNWP. I want it to be my first app, so I will write cd my first app and then run yarn install. It's the same thing. I just wanted to show how it works, but I will delete this folder because I don't need it anymore. So in order to decrease the distraction, I will delete this folder. Okay. So our app now is ready. You can write Expo start in order to start our app. As you can see here, this window will open on your browser. So you have so it will give you some options in order to start. You can first run your app in order to test it on your computer. This can be done either through simulator or emulators, and you will need here Android Studio or Genymotion. It's available, it's for free, but it needs high PC requirements regarding the RAM and the processor. If your PC is not ready for that, I will prefer to test it on your mobile. Also, you can run on the iOS simulator. The issue with iOS simulator is that it's just available on MacBooks. It's not available on Linux or Windows. So you can, if you don't have the option to run it on your emulator or on your simulator, you can download the Expo Client app. Expo Client app is available on iOS and on Android. You can just open it and scan it with your scan this code with your either with your camera on iPhone or through the Expo app on Android. So if you write, so you can download the app on the Play Store or on the App Store. It's called Expo on Android, Expo Client on the App Store. You can just open the app. You will see the apps you have. You can scan it with your camera. So we are talking here about two options. Either you will need iOS and Android simulators, or you will need to run it on your phone. If you don't have this, if you don't have Xcode or Android Studio, then it will be better to run it on your phone. So I'll start here. I will run it here for the video purpose on the simulators. I'll get Xcode and Android Studio. So from the Xcode, I will open our simulator here, or from Developer Tools. On Android, I will get the AVD Manager. I already have a device installed, so I'll play it on the simulator. So you can, as our simulator is here open, you can open it. Starts here. And on Android we can open it also. It started loading with the splash screen configured for the app. So you can so it opened here on iOS. As you can see, it renders the posts for this website. This is the default for the template. So it open now on Android. As you can see, Android Studio is taking a lot of memory, so that's why I don't prefer it for many cases. If your PC is not doesn't have high requirements, it will be difficult to run it or manage it. Okay, this for this video. In the next video we'll start to configure the app for our website. So I hope everything is I hope everything will go well, and see you in the next video.